What's up, guys? This is just a quick little video for the ASWC1 for a 2002 Dodge Ram. Just how to wire it real quick. So with this one, it's just going to be your power, your ground, and this pink wire. And then of course this goes to your back of the radio. I'm currently using a Pioneer. I don't know if it focuses. It's a Pioneer AVH-2300NEX. This is the wiring harness that it comes with. Well, excuse me, you gotta buy separately. The only two wires I'm not using are this black wire and this other yellow wire. Your pink wire from the ASWC goes into your brown wire. That's what it's looking like here. Better view. It's the third wire here, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, the brown wire, and that goes into your controls. Pretty much everything else is your constant, your power, your orange wire, the pink wire is there, and then your radio. And then of course here on this side is your speakers. And then here's your ground. I hope this helps, because holy heck, I was trying to figure it out, and they don't have anything on the website with this information showing you or telling you. I had to download a booklet. I was up yesterday till about 3 in the morning and it didn't work, and kind of had to figure some stuff out. But yeah, so just make sure when you plug it in, your little box is flashing red really quick, and you tap on your a button on here on your steering wheel, and from there it should go ahead and sync in and you're good to go. Alright, later guys.